Hi, Anil.
Yeah, hi.
Good morning.
Can you
Um, yeah, yeah, tell me.
okay.
You're saying something?
No, I said like can you hear me out?
Yes, 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 I can hear you. But please check with Radical guys. We cannot
And
continue
today
this.
I'll
Yeah,
talk to them again. These
yeah,
people will to create a problem unintendedly.
yeah. That might be
This
the
meeting is
logic they
recording, right?
applied if the full payment has been not completed within these many days. I cannot I'm not supposed to take this Google Meet sessions. Okay. They,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, it's like they won't accept these kind of things and all, right? It's their
Mm.
policy also. That's why.
It's their policy, but they should inform me, right? When and what and
Ah,
like this.
okay,
And
okay.
for recordings or whatever it is, if I ask them, they won't even respond properly.
Mm. Please call them and clear it today itself. Okay.
Mm.
Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
I had a doubt because
Hmm.
there was some exclamation mark,
Exclamation.
like warning mark. Mm.
Where?
Like
This one.
what we get no, 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 not here while
Huh.
joining the class.
Okay.
That time I
Okay.
thought something fishy.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yesterday we have initiated the sync, right? We have enabled the class
Software update.
products and classification and initiated the sync. See, this is the log file. Yesterday we have checked and initiated the sync, right? See the
Mm.
patches list, everything. It has been listed. 100% sync has been completed. The patches list, everything. It has been synced. This is how the log file will shows
Mm.
all the details. Okay. The one more thing,
Okay.
what I did is, I'm also aware newly for this 2022 servers and all. Nowadays, what
Mm.
they did is, they have changed the product to specific thing. Okay, when I searched in Google, but within couple of minutes only, I have seen that option. One second. We are searching for the 2022 server product, right? But it
Mm-hmm.
is not available here.
Yeah, yesterday what we saw
Yes, yes.
in the products.
Yeah. Windows 10, 11, and when come to the server, there is no 2022, right? Until 2019
Yeah.
only. Yeah, this is the first time I
Mm-hmm.
have implemented a 2022 server for you. Okay, for the
Mm-hmm.
2022 servers and all, okay, what they
Mm.
did is in recent times they have changed the name like Microsoft Server Operating System 21H2. Okay, ours
Okay.
is 21H2 actually.
Mm. Okay.
Version 21 has 2. So I haven't selected
Mm.
more than this. Okay, 22 has 2, 23
Mm.
has 2 and all. I haven't selected 21 has 2 only.
Mm.
So I have checked this option. It will works for the 22 H2. That's what I got the information from the Google. But let's see.
This 21-22 is the year or what exactly it is?
It is the future pack. Future pack.
Okay, okay,
Yearly
okay.
twice the operating system future packs will be released. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Twice
this
or
thing is
once we can say. Okay, that
mm.
is the future packs.
Okay. According
Okay.
to that, they are giving.
Yes, I have selected one more this option. Just wanted to update you. Okay.
Add,
But
right? Mm.
yeah, this is critical and security updates we have selected. Now let's go to the software library.
Yesterday also we selected two only, right?
Yes, yes, we selected only two. All software updates. See, once it has been synchronized in the log file, it has been shown all the information. It is showing here also. Okay.
So whatever the products we select over here regarding that product, it will show up over here, all the things,
Yes, yes. See, from
all the patch.
2020 08 August month. Okay. This is for Windows
Mm.
10 machine. All the patches it will be shows here. Okay. I wanted to show
Mm.
few things. If it is in green color,
Mm.
okay,
Mm.
then it will be like updated, up to date patch, new patch. Okay, it is not
Okay.
superseded. Okay, these patches we need to install. Okay,
Mm.
and where is the color differences? See, if it is something like this with this icon, orange color
Mm.
icon, this is the supersedence patch. I'm saying
Mm.
this is the supersedence patch. Okay, it
Mm.
we can wait for this patch. We can keep this patch until
Mm.
6 months. After 6 months, we can mark these patches as expired. Expired means now there is no expired patches, I think so. It will be turns into like into mark here. Into mark with black color. Okay. Did you find the difference here? This is the latest
Yes.
patches, I can say. This is the
Mm.
latest patches, which means um, there is
Update
no
required.
updated, there is no
Mm.
replacement of newer patches
Mm.
there. Okay, we can say
Okay.
like that.
Mm.
Okay, this is the
Mm.
supersedent patches. There is the updated patch has been released. For example,
Mm.
for this patch, for this patch,
Mm. Mm.
1 second. This is the patch, right?
Mm.
2025-06. Right click
Mm.
and go to the properties, supersedence information. This patch has been replaced by after 2025-06,
Mm.
07 has been replaced, then
And this line.
09, 08, 09, 010, 011, now 12. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
11th one, November
Mm.
month, December month, like that way. It
Mm.
has been replaced, superseded
Mm.
by these
Mm.
patches. Okay, but for these patches there
Yes.
is no replacement. Okay, that's what. If it is, we can keep this superseded patches until 6 months. After 6 months, it will be marked as expired with the black color into mark. Okay, it is
They
not a
will mark it, right?
yeah, it
Microsoft
will
will mark it.
automatically marks. It will automatically marks
Mm.
by the Microsoft. Okay, it is just for a knowledge purpose. No one will ask the questions on this and all. Okay, just for your knowledge
Mm.
case, I'm explaining these things. Okay, now see here, this patch, it SCCM agent has been identified and it has scanned.
Mm.
This patch is already installed. What is this in Windows 10? It's already
Mm.
has been installed. That's why it is marked as one. This patch is,
Automatically it got installed.
yeah, that's why with the when we have
Okay, when the
created,
OS was installed.
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
OS has been installed. It has been installed with the November month patches until November month patches up to date, right?
Mm.
So see, this server patch, we have two servers, right? AD
Mm.
and SSCM servers. This particular
Mm.
.NET update has been installed, already installed, already installed in the two machines, that is AD and SSCM. This count is devices, one machine or two
Yeah,
device,
got it. Mm.
whatever it is.
Mm.
Okay, now we have two methods actually. Let me show. Under the patch deployment, we have two methods. One is manual method. We can do the deployment in two methods. Another one is
Mm.
ADR method, automatic deployment rule.
Different control.
Okay, the
Mm.
first, if you understood the manual method, how we are doing
Mm.
manually from end to end, the ADR method
Mm.
will be very easy. It will automatically do. It will automatically do the
Mm.
deployment everything. Okay, so you cannot
Mm.
check. You cannot do any step by step configurations here. Okay, in the background it will automatically do all the process, end-to-end process. But let's understand the manual process first, and then we can create the ADR rule, and then we can debug the ADR rule, how it's got created, everything in manually. Okay, the same process only. This and this, everything is same process. Here we are doing manually some steps. Here what we are doing the manual step, everything it is doing the automatic way. Okay, now
Okay.
mm, what we will do is,
Here it shows downloaded no is deployed. I can understand downloaded where it got already installed.
mm-hmm,
It won't change the status to yes for a downloaded.
yes, yes. Still, I haven't explained those things. Yeah, let's wait.
Mm.
Let's wait. Okay, required is one more column. Okay, required is one more
Mm.
important, very important column. Okay,
Mm.
please sort out this one. Sort it like this and go top. See, this is the required patches for this server. For this server, this operating system deployment. Say this particular patch is required. Okay, we need to deploy this particular patch to AD machine and SSE machine. This is the server patch, correct?
Mm.
Microsoft Server Operating System. These patches and all, the remaining one patch and all, it is
Done.
required for the test VM01 machine, Windows 10 machine operating system.
Mm.
Okay, likewise we can analyze. Okay, now what I am going to do, see, like this you can select the multiple patches and right click and create software update group. Now there is no software update group. There is no software update group.
Mm. Correct.
Okay, so um, which one we can do the manual deployment, Windows 10 or server? Let's
Now,
do
in
it.
the one, I have one question.
Yeah.
When we see all this kind of list, right? So,
Mm.
how will I understand which one should I go and install it? The customer will give all these details to, which
No
one, which
customers will
patch we
give.
should.
Okay, you have to take your decisions. Okay, you have to sort it like required mode. Okay, and
Mm.
based on this title, sir, whether it is a
Mm.
server or Windows 10, we have to
Mm-hmm.
categorize it. Okay, but you please hold on your questions for next 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, you will
Okay, okay,
understood.
okay.
You will understood. Okay, don't get any yeah, 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 don't get confused right away. Okay,
Mm.
I will clear all your doubts. Okay, don't be in a
Mm.
hurry. Okay, what I'm going to do is, see, like this also we can select multiple. I just press the control button and selecting all these
Mm.
patches. Okay, right click and create software update group. Now we don't have any software update group here. Nothing,
Mm.
nothing. Okay, but let me select in. It is the manual way, right? Let me select the server. We have only one patch we need to deploy for the server. For
Mm.
individual patch, you can right click and deploy right away. Okay, but I'm not going to
Mm.
do. Okay, multiple. Just assume server also has the multiple patches. Okay, multiple
Mm.
patches. Here we do have, unfortunately, as part of our
Oh.
lab session, we have only one patch is required. Okay,
Mm.
right click and create software update group. Even though if it is a one patch also, it is always recommended to do from the software update group only. Okay,
Mm.
yeah,
Mm.
create software update group. I will say Windows Server
And every
2020.
time when we are selecting, we have to create update so group or like it will be always present, right?
Which one?
Now we have created this group. Now it will be already be present in for future use also, right?
There is the vice versa. We can use the existing software group
Mm.
in future, or
Or we
else we
can
can
create.
create the new also. It's up to your decision.
Okay, depends.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
okay.
See the naming convention, how I'm doing.
Mm.
December 2025. Right? This is the December month patch. I'm giving the
Mm.
naming convention like Windows Server, yeah, Server 2022 2025
20.
December month patch release. Okay, so Let's create it. It is the manual method which I am showing right away to you. Okay.
Okay.
It's not even downloaded now and deployed. So it is showing as
Mm.
no. Go to the software group. This is the software group which we have created. Okay. For your question, okay,
Mm.
just let me type the server here. Just assume this patch also required, which is released in next month in 2026 January month, let's say. Okay,
Mm.
if you
Mm.
wanted to add it in the existing software
Mm.
update group, right
Mm.
click, edit membership, and add it here in this group.
Oh, okay. Mm.
Okay, if you wanted to add it in the existing group, but
Mm-hmm.
this patch is released on the January 2026, right? So if you are
Mm.
adding it here with this naming convention, that is not recommended way.
Correct.
Okay,
Mm.
so
It should be
always
January.
try to create the month by month the groups, software update groups. That will be the
Okay.
good analysis to check the compliance reporting, everything. That will be the good practice actually.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So if you're creating new group, then the older group will be deleted, or like how do
No,
you
it
do it?
won't delete. It won't delete until unless you delete. It won't delete.
Okay,
Okay.
so
It will
for
create.
your experience, you guys had kept all
Yes,
the
we will.
old groups.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. For the next month, Windows Server 2022, January 2026.
Then
Next month,
26.
Windows Server
Yes.
2022, February 2026. Like that way, it will be keep on
Yes.
increasing. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Now just double click this software update group, what we have created. Double click
Mm-hmm.
this one. This is the only one patch we do have. Okay. Now the same options here it is available. Required for 2 machines. Okay. And it is installed zero machines. It's not downloaded yet and not deployed.
Deploy.
Yeah, 1 0. To download this patch, you have to create one folder. So go to sources. Here we have the patch sources. Here itself, what I'm going to do is patches. Mm, yeah, Windows patches something. Yeah, I will give Windows patches. Okay, I given the name like this, Windows patches. Now right click on this one. The first step you
Mm.
have to download. Okay, here
Okay.
whatever the information patches information here it is showing, we can call
Mm.
this information as the metadata. It is not the
Mm.
original patch, it is giving the
Mm.
information about the patch. About the patch means
Mm.
whether it is a superseeder or not, with based on the icon,
Mm.
whether it is the this is the title of that patch, what exactly in which month it's
Mm.
got released, and what is the KB article name, the same KB article name it is,
Mm.
how many missions it required, is whether it is got already installed or not, if it is installed in how many missions, based on that compliance percentage which will be evaluated, whether it is downloaded or not, whether it is deployed or not. Okay, and also
Mm.
if you see the more properties, you can click on the properties and you can see the more information here about the
Mm.
patches, about the
Okay.
patches, the severity
Mm.
and content information. If we are downloading
Mm.
the, now we are trying to download, right, patch, it is going to
Mm.
download
Mm.
from this website, the source path.
Windows
Okay,
update.
yeah,
Mm.
Windows update. Like this way you can have the more properties of the information. Now go here.
Okay.
It's what I mean to explain is it is the metadata. Okay, it is the
Mm. Mm.
metadata. Okay, it is not the actual original file.
I
Now,
had heard about metadata, but today I came to know exactly what is that.
okay, okay, right click and click on
Mm.
download.
Download.
Download. Yes. Um, when compared to application packaging and package deployment, application deployment and
Mm.
package deployment, we will distribute to DPs, right? We will distribute to DPs.
Yes. Yes. Mm.
But unfortunately here in the software update group, if I right click here, Right click any of the patches, whatever it is. We can have the deploy option. There is no distribute option. See,
Mm. Mm.
this is also ultimately some source file only, right? Now we are going to download some source file only.
Mm.
Okay, that
Yes.
that file we need to update in the operating system level, but there is no distribute. How can we distribute? This one has been segregated in the
Mm.
deployment packages. Okay, from here you
Mm.
have to you have to create one deployment package. Create one deployment package. From here it will
Mm.
be distribute. Okay, you will understood now. You will understood in a short time. Just understand from the
Mm.
deployment package it will be distribute. Just
Okay.
understand that line. Okay, from the deployment
Mm-hmm.
packages it will be distribute.
Mm.
Okay, now right click and download. You wanted to, if you already have some deployment packages, it will be enabled and you can browse it that. Now
Okay.
this is the first one we are going to create, so it is asking us
Mm.
to create a new deployment package. Okay, let's create the new deployment package. The package name is Windows Update Sources. Let me give this name and browse. Browse the path where you wanted to download. I wanted to
Mm.
download in the Windows patches. This is what we have
Mm.
created, right? Select that
Yes.
folder. Sorry, selected this folder. In this folder, I will download the patches. That means my source files will
Mm.
be available here. That folder is the Windows. That folder is the deployment package with the name of Windows Update Sources. This deployment package is going to create here. Okay, automatically
Mm.
once we have completed these steps. Click next. Now it is asking for the distribution point. See, once we have created the
Mm.
deployment package, it will ask for the distribution package. Select our distribution point. Click OK. These options you can set it as default. Manually copy the content in this package to the distribution point. Automatically it will copies in the background. Okay. Click next. And where it should be download from, where? From the internet. Okay, download software
Mm.
updates from the internet. I have shown the website also, right? From there it
Mm.
will contact each and every patch and it will download from the internet. If you have stored in some other server location, okay, if you are stored downloaded
Mm.
in the some other proxy server location, you have to browse that
Mm.
server and you have to redirect it.
Got it. Mm.
Okay, but we will get the internet connection for every SSM connection. This is the languages: English language, summary. Click next. Okay, now quickly open this path. See, it's automatically created. Here it is
Mm.
downloading. The patch is downloading here inside this folder.
Mm.
Just wait. It is in 0%. Once it has been completed with the 100%, you can see inside the patch files.
Mm. Now the deployment package is created, I believe.
Yes, yes.
Does it take long time to download
Yeah,
all these
depends
things?
upon the size of the patches. Okay. You
Okay.
should get the here also the success message. This is the distribution
Mm.
point setting, and here also it is the internet. From internet it is downloaded success or not. Okay. The
Mm.
both the places you should get the success message. Okay.
Mm.
Click close. Now patch has been installed. Sorry,
Mm.
downloaded. The
Downloaded.
size of the cap file, this patch size is
4 MB.
396. Yeah, 400 MB.
Mm.
Okay,
Mm.
come here and go and check your deployment packages we have created with this name and package ID. Inside this only the package has been,
Mm.
the source is there and it's got
Mm.
distributed successfully.
Mm.
Okay, from it's got
Mm.
distributed successfully. Now go back here and check your patch status. The downloaded is changed from no to yes. We have
Yes.
downloaded, right? That's why it has been
Mm.
changed from no to yes. It is saying clearly, total how many machines in your environment you do have, whether it is a 3 machine or 3000 machine, 30,000 machine, it will be shows here. Among
Mm.
those machines, how many machines it has been required, this particular patch. Required is
Mm.
2 devices, not required is 1 device, that is our test VM01 machine workstation,
Mm.
and complaint is 0, unknown is 0. Okay.
Mm.
Now we have created software update group, we have created the deployment package and distributed it to DP. Everything is done. Okay. Now
Mm.
our next
Deploy
step
meter.
is deploy. Okay, this is the server
Mm.
one, right? So right click here and click on deploy. Is it going everything good in the
And
sequence?
what if you right click over here on the downloaded part? Huh?
Here also we can do, but
Mm.
it will be treated as the individual patch we are downloading. We have to always deploy the software update groups only. Okay,
From software update groups. Okay.
this is the software update group. Okay, inside this group
Mm.
the patch is available. We have added the
Mm.
patch inside this group. Okay,
Mm. Mm.
right click and deploy.
Mm. One second. If we do retrieve from right click from software update group and deploy,
Hmm.
that means we have to download all the required patch here. It is for the server, Windows clients, 10, 11, whatever it is required. Once it is ready with the downloaded, then we can right click on software update group on the left hand side, and we can deploy there also, right?
Yes, in that way
At
also you
once.
can do. Yeah, at
Mm.
once
Mm.
you can do. Okay.
Mm.
Okay, it's my bad. I forgot to show actually in the initially itself. I thought to
Mm.
show, but immediately, yeah, as there is only one patch, I have directly created the software update group. Okay,
Mm.
now
Mm.
let's create the to create the software update group. Actually, to create the software update group, forget about the server as it is only one patch. Okay, you will get only one. Let me show how manually we can filter the Windows 10. Okay, go to add criteria. Okay, required, add it. Go to add criteria and date released or date revised, anything is fine. And go to add criteria again.
Why criteria is required to filter
You
properly?
have to filter product,
And this should be
product.
done initially, you want to say.
Yes, initially.
Once sync is done.
Go to filter product. I'm selecting multiple times the product. Okay, and what else? Expired you can select. Supersedence you can select. Okay, these are all enough, I think so. If I missed anything, these are all the most preferable one we can always use to filter. Okay, just assume now we are deploying the servers, right? Okay, just assume we need to in the manual method. In the manual method, if you wanted to
Mm.
deploy the Windows 10 and also the server all together as a one package software update group. Okay, yeah, one second, let me show it to you. Then you can understand. Is required is greater than or equal to 1. Always give this condition. This is the most important one. Why? Because at least one device it should be there. If we are selecting
Mm.
these patches, this patch is not required. Okay, 0
Mm.
devices is required. Okay, for the 0 devices it is showing as a required. That means no devices is required this patch. Okay, then why we need to
Okay, it is
download
not
and why?
mandatory, you meant to say.
Yeah, it is not mandatory. Then why we need to download and why we need to deploy? That's why we are filtering.
Okay, that is why.
Yeah, we are
Okay, I was
giving the
about to ask you how this criteria will help us. You now
yeah,
told me. Mm.
required is greater than or equal to 1. So now it is
Mm.
automatically filtering more than 1
Mm.
or more than 1.
Two.
Yeah,
Mm.
equal to
Mm.
1 or more than 1. It is going to filter.
Mm.
Date released. Every month if you are deploying, you can
Mm.
select the last 1 month, you can select last 1 month, you can select, or else specific date, custom date, something you can have. 1 second. Okay, let's give the specific date is between. Okay, usually we will select the is between. See,
Mm.
understand carefully here, carefully understand here. Microsoft will release for the last month, November. Microsoft will release the second Tuesday. On second Tuesday, patches will be released. That is on
Mm.
11/11, right?
Mm.
I
Mm.
will select the date from 12, the second Wednesday. Okay, from the 12th. Why? Because
Mm.
in by selecting this date,
Mm.
you have already deployed the November month patches. In sometimes Microsoft will release at any day few updates also, some emergency updates
Mm.
also in these dates. Any day.
Mm.
If it is required, some
Mm.
hacker is trying to do something, they will release some emergency updates. Okay?
Mm.
Those updates also we should not be missed. So that's why
Mm.
from 12th of November, I will select from 12th of November till
Mm.
second Tuesday of December month, 9th of December month. Okay,
Mm.
for the next month you can select it from this date. Okay, so
Mm.
we haven't missed any date patches continuously.
Mm.
Okay, till here I have selected the date released or revised.
It will trigger. Okay, get everything. Okay.
You got it? It is from
Mm.
second Wednesday to second Tuesday of current month. It is second Wednesday from
Yes.
the previous month, and it is the second Tuesday. This chain will helps. If you are repeatedly doing, it won't miss any kind of patch. If the Microsoft releases in some other days also apart from the second
In
Tuesday,
between. Mm.
we will cover all those patches also. Okay,
Mm.
product products W. Yeah, I wanted to select. My system is a bit slow. Just wait. Windows 10. Again, I wanted to select W.
Why it is showing cross red color?
You can cancel it if this product is not required.
Okay,
You
it's a
can
cancel option.
yeah,
Okay.
cancel option. See, this is the problem actually. It is also another bug actually from Microsoft end. It will shows the twice duplicate. Okay, let's select the first one.
Mm.
We'll see the result later. And I'm trying to search where is that Windows Server option also. Yeah, I found it, I think. Yeah, Windows Server. It is bit different when I see. My device is a bit slow today.
This will be little bit difficult for me to, to know which product I have to select, or if
No, no, no. By
somebody.
practice, you will know. You will know by practice. Okay, don't worry about that. Windows Server 21 has to. Yeah, let's select this one for now. And this one also looks similar. later upgrade and service. Okay, let's select this one. Okay, expired, no. Always select the no. Expired patches. Supersedents, if you wanted to include, you can select the supersedent patches. Yes. Okay. Now, when I'm going to filter it, see what kind of result we are going to get. Search. Based on the filter, we should get the results. Okay. Let me change this one from the duplicates. Maybe select the second one. Search. This is. Let me remove supersedents. Search. Yes. Now see, Windows 10 options, we got it, right? I'm doubt about this servers only. Okay, let me select this one. Search. Okay. Servers, I will like this. If we select the servers also it will include. I will check it out the servers later. Okay, it is taken. Now you understood, right? If you are filtering based on this condition, it will give the Windows 10 servers everything all together. You can select it. You can select it and create the software update group, and you can give the general update like Windows patches December 2025. Whether it is a workstation and servers all together. If you wanted to create one in one software update group and target it to device, means you can do it like that way also. Okay, if I close these dates, you will get the multiple one. Okay, I'm closing the dates filter. So you got the previous months also. This is the supersedence patch also. It's got included. Okay, if we add the supersedence yes also, it will be filtered, no problem.
So from here we select, we create a group.
Yes,
then
from here, see, right click and create the software update groups. Just assume right away. Okay, what it means is it is filtering the Windows 10 and the software servers patches also, and create one group, and you can deploy the same steps like this. This is the filter option I forgot to show initially. Why? Because
this filter option will come first only.
Yes, like this way in real time you have to filter and create the software update group. That's what my intention. Why I have created means we have only one patch, right? That's why I have created right by looking at it straight away. Okay, sorry for that. And yeah, we have pending with the deployment. Sorry? Yes. Yeah, we have pending with the deployment. Right click and deploy. This is the server patch.
This is all manual steps.
Yes, all manual steps actually. Software update group. This is a software update group which we are going to trying to deploy. Okay, to which collection? As it is a server deployment, we have created only servers collection. Okay, so let's select the servers collection. I'm not deploying it for the all devices. See, this machine includes the test VM01 also workstation, but we have created the software update group servers only, right? Only single patch is available. Are you getting confused, or you are
no.
Catching the point?
I'm getting it.
Okay, let's select the all servers. Okay, this name I don't want to take this deployment name as the default one with the timing, date, and timing standards. I always prefer to how I will change this name is. It is my personal experience I'm saying. Okay, I will do the copy of the software update group here and click, give the hyphen, one small hyphen, give the all collection and give it here. Why I'm giving like this means it will always changes from month by month, like December 2025, Jan 2026, February 2026, like that. Okay, there will be no duplications happens here, and these keywords will helps us this based on the software update group or based on the collection. If you check it in the monitoring deployment status or some kind of reports, if you wanted to generate, it will be easier to find out. Okay, it will be easier to find out. Yeah, that's why I'm changing that default name to this one. Click next. Deployment settings. You understood now what is the required and what is available. Okay, you know now.
Okay,
Okay,
there
no, no.
also.
Yeah, deployment. This is also one kind of deployment only, right? So
Mm.
required or available. Details only success or error message it will be shows in the software center, or all messages or only the error messages. It's up to you.
Mm.
Okay, click next. And
Use wake up. That is for if machine is
yeah,
logged off.
powered off. Yeah.
Mm.
Nowadays we are not at all using that one. Okay, forget about that.
Mm.
But I have just given the knowledge for you. That wake up
Mm.
line. Don't even check that option in real time.
Mm.
Okay. Why? Because I haven't practically implemented that one. Okay. No.
Okay.
Most of the cases, no one, even the most of the my senior members also not implemented that one. Okay. So forget about that.
Mhm.
See, local client time we can give, or UTC, universal time zone we can give. Okay. Let's give the
Mhm.
local time for now. When this update will be available in the software center? As soon as possible, or else if you wanted to select specific time from tomorrow onwards it will be available, you can select that date. Okay, or else
Mm.
you can give the as soon as possible. The time decision you have to take the decision as per your requirement, project requirement. And deadline, usually it will give the deadline until 1 week by default.
Mm.
Okay, until 1 week, or else you can choose the as soon as possible. Immediately the deadline also, deadline means once the deadline has been reached, once this 1 week has been available in the software center, this patch, if you are not manually installed that patches from the software center, it will
Mm.
automatically triggers installation forcefully after reaching this time. Okay, now for our lab
Mhm.
purpose, let's select the as soon as possible, which
Okay,
you
of course.
already known this.
But in real time, we have to select give specific time. I can do as soon as possible also.
Again, it's according to your project requirement. We can give the as soon
Okay.
as possible, or else we can give
So
the
whom should I ask all these details, sir?
while raising your
Okay.
change, you have to discuss with your senior members how we are doing it in the past, and or else if it is a new project, I will do it in the on the for the workstations. You can do it in the like in the non-business hours. You can do it. Okay,
Mm.
you can set it like non-business hours here. Uh,
Or either in the night or
Time.
weekends, you mean to say.
Yeah, whatever. Night time and all, you can schedule it the deadline. Or else for the servers, you should always do it on the weekends only.
Weekend. Mm.
Okay, like that way you can set. Click next and commit changes at the deadline during the maintenance window. Maintenance window. Remember this point. I will explain it in a shorter time after this deployment will
Mm.
complete. Okay, maintenance window. Now for time being, we are performing this outside the maintenance window. We haven't enable any maintenance window. Okay. And
Mm.
also you can suppress the restart for the servers and workstations. If now we are going to deploy it for the servers, right? This is the server patch. This is the
Mm.
servers we are deploying. Okay. Mostly for the servers, if you wanted to deploy the patches today itself, on the weekday itself, you can deploy it, but it won't restart means you can suppress the restart. You have to go and
Mm.
manually restart on weekends. That is also possible. Okay, that is also
Okay.
possible. So you can suppress the restart, but right now I'm not going to suppress anything. Okay, restart necessary, if necessary. I'm doing unchecking it. Click next. Remember about the maintenance window. I will explain it in a short. Alerts is not required. Download settings. Download software updates from distribution point and install. Yeah, the same. Click next. See here one catch I forgot to explain. One second. Let me go back. Here one catch. I um, this option is like kind of a cheating. If you select this option, it's kind of cheating.
Mm.
Okay, as a genuine
What is
SSM
this?
ad, yeah, I will explain. I will explain. That's what I'm starting, right? Wait. Please
Mhm.
hold. As a SSM administrator, as an SSM administrator, very senior most administrator I am. Okay, I don't want to select this option, but still Microsoft is given this option. What it is? If software updates are not available on the distribution point in current, this
Mm.
this software update is server update is something like
Mm.
from the it's not distributed, failed to distribute to the distribution point. Okay, from the neighbor distribution point also it is not taking. Okay, the end user machine is not taking. Somehow the connection is not, it's breaking, that it's not download. So at that time end user machine will takes the metadata of that information. What is the title of that information, what is the patch of that information, metadata, and it will directly download from the internet. Okay, if the end user is not able to download locally, from the distribution points, at that time it will download from the internet. If the workstations, most of the laptops will have the internet connection, right? All the
Yes.
laptops will have the internet. Okay, so from download, it will download it from the internet, and it will do the installation. It means there is no SSM activities doing if any failure occurs. Okay, so I don't prefer this personally, but in some cases, if you don't have the time, like thousands of machines has been failure, and your client is getting giving the pressure to you, hey, I'm expecting the 95 percentage of the complaints for every month, but you are giving Anil only 85% or 90%. It is not at all acceptable. Fix the issue, fix the issue. Oh, okay, but for the thousands of machines, it is not easy to fix the issue very immediately. At that time, this is one small hack, cheating way
Hack. Okay.
I'm telling to you. Okay, but for now I'm unchecking this. Okay, I wanted to show the without
Uh,
any cheating. I wanted to show. Okay, just for
I
your
wanted
knowledge.
to.
Yeah.
Okay. I wanted to ask you this. In that line, they have put a in distribution board in current, right?
Sorry, come again.
Current. In that line, if you see, there's a word called current. Where is your mouse cursor? Is there, right?
Current. Ah, okay. Yeah, current.
Current. So, is this something related to the software update current?
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
I know there's something called current branch and all those things.
Forget about the current. Okay, that current branch. Okay, it is in current means the present
Present.
patch.
Present. Okay. Okay.
Present
Okay.
patch. That's what it is. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Current branch is yesterday what we have to did is the console upgrade. That is the SCCM
Mm.
current branch we can call. Okay, the
Okay. Okay. For
quarterly
SNM only
release
it is.
updates. Only
Mm-hmm.
that is the current branch. Okay, and the branch
Okay.
cache
We don't
is
have
different.
anything called current and all for software updates.
No current call for the software updates.
Okay.
Okay.
It is only for SSM console updates,
Yes,
current and all.
console update is the current branch, and also I have explained the branch cache. Initially, you confused with those two terminology. I have explained the branch cache also. Watch that recording video. Okay, branch cache. That is
Branch
different.
cache.
Yeah. That's why
Okay.
I asked you to watch the recording videos. Okay, I given the clear diagram explanation for the branch cache also. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Branch cache means no. Now I'm not going to take why, because it is a lengthier topic again. I
No,
explained it
but
in
can
the
you say it? Can you say the word? What comes under that?
if the distribution point is if the client is not connecting to the distribution point, it will get it from the nearby client machines.
Labor.
The
Yes.
the
Yes. Yes.
content. Okay, that is the
Uh,
branch cache. Okay, something
okay.
in the
Okay. Okay.
in the client settings topic I have explained
Mhm.
it. Okay, you can rewatch the
Client
client
installation. While client
uh,
installation topic, huh?
client settings. I am telling. Client
Okay.
installation
Okay.
is
Client
different,
setting.
and the
Okay.
client settings is different.
Okay. 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 Got
Okay,
it. I'll see that one.
yeah. Click next, and this is the summary. I don't know why today it's very slow. Okay, this is the summary which we have selected. Click next. It is in progress, and yes, we have deployed it. We have deployed it. See, now deployed also marked as yes. Okay,
Yes.
go to the deployments. You can see the all servers collection. Now what we will do is go to the AD mission. Let's take the AD mission, not in the SSCM mission. SSCM also it will take the patches, but there only we have
Mm.
deployed, and again there only we are checking the result, means that is bit confused. I understood with my experience, but as a fresher I don't want to do that. Okay, let's see here. mm, Configuration manager. Now what I'm going to do is, in this sequence only you have to run the policies manually if you wanted to evaluate the policies. Okay, when you are doing some troubleshoot those things. First, mission level policy, run now, click OK. Scan, software update scan cycle, run now. First it should be complete scan, and then go to software update deployment evaluation, then it should be install. Click OK. Okay, now open the where is software center? Just type software center, open the software center. I don't know, today the VMs are very slow. Okay, in the updates it is blank now. We have to get it from the updates only, software updates, right? So in the updates category, so go to the logs, C drive, Windows, CCM, not the CCM setup, CCM and logs. Here what are all the log files I am checking? Please check those log files only. Okay, the main log file is WUA handler.log file. It will evaluate the scan cycle. It will evaluate the scan you successfully completed with the scan. Okay, that's why I have ran this scan initially. Okay, scan cycle. And also for the updates deployment, this log file you can check whether it is, yeah, it is starting download. See, some patch is starting download now. Percentage 10, percentage 15. So to check that download status, which log files for the application deployment we have seen? Content transfer.log file. Okay, downloading the data with now today's date. See, 401, 402. It's trigger with that. Sometimes by the timing also you have to analyze. Okay, and
Timestamp.
data, yeah, timestamp. Data transfer, downloading the data, still it is. And also you can go back here and check it in the CCM cache, any folder with today's date, 12/11/401. It is downloading, still it's not downloaded, it's downloading, that's why. Okay, it is in progress. Now it is completed with the 26%. Once downloaded, it will change it to installing progress 10%, 20%, like that way. Installation also we can see. Okay, once the download has been completed, it will show here also. Okay, now it is in progress. In the background it is in progress. Already it is slow, but for the 400 MB again it is getting delay. These are all the log files. Don't forget about the log files. Okay, we are each and every topic we are going with the multiple log files. Okay, WUA handler.log file, updates deployment log file. Okay, you have to monitor strictly. I'm saying you have to explain it in the interview session. Okay, you have to explain it in the interview session in the futures also. Now anyway you have the job in the SCCM, but in futures if it is required. Okay, and also you can check the update store log files. See the title, this is the title, it is missing, it's evaluated at the scan, and you can here it will show the whether it is the missing, it's already installed. Okay, something it will be show the clear information in this log file update store, and updates handler.log file also we can check in which drive it is installing, the which data, everything it will show. These are all the log files you have to remember. The main two log files are WUA handler log file, which I personally check, and updates handler log file. Whatever the errors came here, everything it will be shows here in these two log files. Let's wait. Let's take our own time and wait, and we will see the clear end-to-end result, the installation completion part also. Okay, let's do the same step evaluation in the SCCM mission also now. No need to open the log files, those things and all. Um, Go to software center.
Since we are doing this into lab, we are doing it forcefully, but
Yeah,
in the
the
real
same.
time, it will happen automatically.
It will happen automatically. If you wanted to download the policy, you already know from the collection. You can give the right click and download the computer policy. Those things you can do it.
Mm.
Okay.
From SSM console
Yeah, from SSCM console.
to replicate it immediately.
Yes. Actions. That's it. Go to the assets and complaints. And device collection. All missions. Okay. Let's do not confuse. You can give the policies evaluation for all missions also. No problem. Client notification. Download computer policy. Like this way you can evaluate.
Mm.
Client notification. Software update evaluation. Okay. There is no scan here. That's what
Mhm.
again some drawback here. But yeah, software update evaluation. You can click it on. It will take care in the background. You can monitor. See, for all servers only I have targeted, right, the patches. Go
Yeah.
to the monitor and you can check the status in the deployments. What are all the deployments till now we have completed? Notepad++, VLC, the baseline, complaint settings, everything we can check it out. This is the patch deployment, software update. Okay. Program is package deployment. Baseline is config complaint settings. Software update is the patch deployment which we are doing right away. Application is application deployment. This is the feature
Deployment.
types. Based on this, you can analyze. Okay. If you double click on this, it will show you in which stage right now it is. It is in unknown stage right now. Okay. Once it has been installed, it will move into in progress and complaints. Okay. To evaluate the progress, now it is downloading, right? It should be moved to in progress
Mm.
right now. Okay. So
Mm.
to evaluate that, run summarization, click OK. After some time, it is some kind of quickly initiate the check the status and all. After some time, it will move to in
Mm.
progress, from in progress to complaint. Okay. Like that it will move. Refresh, you can check it out. Yeah. This is a manual method. Downloading completed 88%. Yeah, let's wait. Today itself, please contact the radical persons and ask
Yes,
them.
yes.
Okay.
Mm.
Yeah, we are not supposed to do this like this. Again, they will blame me. Why you are doing like this? Okay, suppose if
No,
we
I
say,
have told them that before doing anything, you just give me a call or a message me. Okay.
yeah,
Yes.
multiple students
Initially, while
they may
while
forget.
inquiring,
Yeah.
how they can forget Venkata? That is their job, right? Initially, what they told me, "Hey, we will give you everything, this, that, this. I told them, don't give this build up, okay? I'm not new into this industry or something, or not a fresher. Okay, 12 plus years of experience I have, and I have already taken in training also like this. So don't tell me all these things.
Hmm.
Then I told them clearly, see, whatever is there, you should inform me prior to do, I mean, to see the action what you guys are going to take. If not, if it happens again and again, forget about the fees and forget about the course also. I'll just vanish away and I'll
Hmm.
get started from another person or whatever it is my as per my contract. I have told them, no, that will not happen, sir. Don't worry.
Hmm.
We are this, and all that build up. I said, don't give the dialogue again to me. You just be simple. I'm going to say clear whatever it is and let me know. I'm not going to run away or whatever. I have come to you guys. That means it is confirmed thing that I will do all these things. It's
Hmm.
not something to play around. Although I have told them. And
Okay.
now, if you text them also, no reply also. after two
Okay.
days and all.
In the WhatsApp, if you are texting.
In the WhatsApp.
Hmm.
Who will entertain this kind of things?
Yeah, why they are not replying?
So, Venkata, this manual part we have done over here. So, in organization, it will be by ADK only, right?
No, it's not mandatorily
Mm.
do the by ADK. It is our
Okay,
choice
they will
to
use
go with
manual
the
also.
manual way or ADK way. It's our choice. Okay.
Okay,
Tomorrow
so
you
when
will
you were there,
know. Yeah, yeah. Tell me.
then how you guys were doing? I mean, so both the
In the
time,
both
both.
in the both the ways I can do. In some projects I have used ADK method, and in some projects I used manual method. In some project nowadays and all, I'm not at all doing this one. My team members
This
will
thing.
do if there is any major problems with. I given the
Mm,
whole rights to L2 and L3 members. They let them learn
mm,
and those things. So they will perform all these activities. If they struggle with any failures, they can
mm.
ask me, and I can do the some kind of troubleshootings.
If
That's
in
it.
case they get stuck in some initial stage and all, you help them.
Yes, yes, I will help them. It is not mandatory. These are all everyone can learn anything. Okay, so as a senior member, I don't want her to take all these operational activities, even though if it is a sensitive one also. I don't want her to
Mm,
take this things and all. Let the give chance to the fresher members, the L2 members also. Okay,
mm,
if
mm,
they do the practice in real time, they will get the confidence.
mhm.
That's why, yeah, I'm not involving in these patches and all. But I will sit silently in the room, in the meeting room, in the
Mm,
some kind of in corner, and silently I'm watching what they are doing and all those things and all.
mhm.
Yeah.
All are working from home only, right?
Yeah, all are working from home only, but in my previous project, that's what we are doing. Nowadays, also from the Intune, my team members are doing. I just given the instruction, they are doing it.
Mm,
If they have any problems, they will let me know from the Intune, whatever it is.
mhm.
Yeah.
In Intune also we have all this kind of deployment and all those
It
things,
is
right?
not like the bigger thing when compared to the FCCM. Intune is a very simpler one. No need to do again
Is
and
it?
again every month. Here we have to do every month, and we have to do some monitoring and all. We can forget
Mm,
from the Intune if you are doing the patch deployment. Once you have configured, it will deploy
mm.
every month automatically. You no
Okay,
need to monitor nothing.
just fetch the report.
Just fetch the report. That's it.
So for Intune, we can do it only for clients, not for servers.
Yes, sir. Correct. That is the drawback.
That
Yeah, they
is
wanted to.
the drawback.
Yeah, this is not a. When compared to Intune, I like the
Mm,
SSM tool only much more. Why? Because we have the compliance settings, lot many reports, and hardware inventory, software inventory, multiple
mm,
options is there here. But when compared to Intune, we don't have that many reports, those kind of features and all in
mm,
Intune. That's why I like
mm,
more when compared to Intune. I like SSM only more. But in real time
mm,
market, everyone will go with the Intune only. Why? Because it is the cloud tool. Everyone
mm.
is
Cost
likes
saving.
the cloud tool. Yeah, cloud will have the more feature. That's why. But see, Microsoft, even though Intune also it is not the very new tool. It has
Hold on
like
bit.
yeah, older one only, like 15
Mm,
plus years of experience. 15
yes.
plus year older tool, that one. Okay, it is
Mm.
SCCM is the 25 plus years of older tool. Okay, see,
SSM
even
is
though
very old.
yeah, very old. So Microsoft is playing a game here by managing the servers and workstations in the
Mm.
SCCM, and only workstations managing by the Intune. They don't
Intune.
want to go down with the from the market. They don't want to wipe away the this SCCM tool.
Business.
Yeah, business. They
Business
are doing the
strategy.
business. Why? Because it is an excellent tool actually.
They will migrate a what in future? To say this also for servers.
Yeah, maybe definitely someday they will migrate, but that someday
Mm.
still I'm seeing more than 10 years it's not happening. Okay, it's not happening. Yeah, that's why. See,
Mm.
the patch has been installed successfully now. Okay, but it requires the restart. Okay,
We
it
got a
will.
pop-up down.
Yeah, we got the pop-up. The
Mm.
pop-up will be open and we can do the restart right away. After some time, it will automatically restart also. Okay, after some
So
days.
I have a
Yeah.
question. So if this is a server and restart is required, then we have to ask this into the change request only, right?
Yes, we have to tell mandatorily. It is
Mm.
pending with the restart. You should do the restart. We should do the
Uh,
restart.
all the
Yes.
server patches will require a restart, right?
Yes. Here also,
It's not that
yes.
there are few server patches which is without
Ah,
restart or
no, no, no,
something.
no, 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 no. But yeah, few patches doesn't require the restart. Okay, that we cannot
Mm.
give the just we cannot judge which patch is required restart, which patch is not required restart. We always
So in
assume as a SSM
mm.
administrator, patches will require restart. Okay.
Okay, so in the change we have to always ask, even if it is restart is not required, we have to ask in the change or a server owner, and that restart is required, give you a permission, right?
Yes, that is the best way.
Okay.
That is the best way.
Okay.
Okay. But before going to raise the change request, you will test it out in few test missions whether it is requiring the
Ah,
restart or not. You will know
ah.
that one.
Okay, for test machine, we shouldn't ask any permission, right,
No,
for
test
restart or
missions
anything.
and all, no need to ask any permissions, no need to raise the change and all.
Hmm.
Okay, after some time this one also it will be gets installed. Okay, we'll connect by
Hmm.
tomorrow and we'll see the ADR method. Okay,
So this
automatic
manual part
deployment.
is done, right?
Yeah, manual part is done. The same manual
Okay.
part what we are doing. Once we have
Mm.
created the ADR here in the software library,
Mm.
ADR here, automatically we can create some ADR rule here. Or if we
Mm.
click on run now, after creating that,
Mm.
automatically it will create the software update group. Automatically it will
Mm.
deploy it to the deployment packages, and automatically it will
Mm.
distribute to DPs, and automatically it
Mm.
will deploy it to collection also, respective
Mm.
collection also. Okay, that's
Mm.
what we are
Okay.
not going to do anything. We just create the automatic deployment rule. Every month if you go and just run that deployment rule, that's it.
Mm.
Right click and run that
Mm.
deployment rule, that's it. That
Mm.
run option also we can schedule as automatic way also, that we will see later tomorrow. Okay.
Mm. Okay.
Okay, one second. I just wanted to mm, give the recording session right away. Any doubts with the today's class for you?
No, this is much clear.
Yeah, okay. Let me stop the recording.